Evolutionary greetings to you all. Standing before you is Asana Tinana from your high school, and my poem today is I Am an African. I am an African. They call me a native, but I hated the Minister of Native Affairs, who forced me to carry a dompas, and I hated that. I am an African. They then forced me to learn in Afrikaans, and I hated the Minister of Bantu Education, who forced me to learn in Afrikaans, and I hated that. I am an African. Color me any way you like, say anything you like, but don't treat me like a fool, because I ain't your tool. Thank you.